Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DST investments with Forge Global, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up DST investments with Forge Global, begin by visiting the Forge Global website. Create an account by selecting the sign up option. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of the platform. Familiarize yourself with the available DST investment options. Review the detailed descriptions and financials for each investment opportunity. Select the DST investment you wish to pursue by clicking on it. Read any associated documents carefully, including the private placement memorandum. Determine the amount you wish to invest in the selected DST. Proceed to the investment form and input your investment amount. Provide any necessary personal and financial information required for compliance. Confirm your identity through Know Your Customer (KYC) checks, which may involve submitting identification documents. Review all information entered for accuracy. Agree to the terms and conditions laid out for the investment. Submit your investment application for review. Wait for approval from the Forge Global team regarding your investment application. Once approved, follow the prompts to fund your investment through the designated payment method. After funding your investment, you will receive confirmation of your transaction. Monitor your investment and review performance updates through your Forge Global account dashboard. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have any questions about your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.